Discovered an FIB file in a project archive and unsure of its purpose? This extension is used by several niche applications across different industries. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify and open these Fibonacci outline files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an FIB file. Here's a sneak peek. FIB files are data files used by various applications, including the Fibonacci outline format and FEI companies' FIB SEM microscope systems. The format may contain hierarchical outline data, document structure information, or scientific instrument data, depending on the originating application and use case. FIB files vary by source application, using either text-based outline formats with hierarchical structure indicators or binary scientific data formats. The structure depends on whether the file represents a document outline, a focused ion beam microscopy dataset, or another specialized data type with proprietary encoding. For FIB, begin with a dedicated opener like text editor. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. Open the menu by right-clicking your FIB file and choosing Open With. Test Text Editor first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If you still can't open the FIB file, it's okay. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, identifying the source. Examine the FIB file's origin by checking surrounding files' associated applications and file size. A small text-based FIB likely represents an outline file, while larger binary files often contain microscopy or scientific instrument data. Context determines the appropriate software for opening the file. Next, trying text editors. Open small FIB files in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to check for readable text content. Outline format FIB files contain hierarchical text with indentation or numbering. If the file appears as binary data, it requires specialized scientific or industry-specific software for proper interpretation. Finally, using specialized software. For FEI microscopy, FIB files use FEI software like XT Microscope Server or compatible image analysis tools. For outline files, try outline processors or import into word processors. Match the software to the identified file type for proper data access and visualization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.